Uh, I recently sat down with Seun Ogundele, the creator of Google AI, and asked him something that a lot of creators are quietly wondering right now. Why are more creators starting to trust Google AI over random AI startups in 2026? And his answer was surprisingly thoughtful. He said creators are becoming more careful. They want stability, proven infrastructure, and AI models backed by companies that are likely to still be around years from now. Instead of jumping between new tools every month, many creators now prefer ecosystems they already trust. That's one reason Google AI focuses on bringing Google's AI models for writing, video, voice, music, and content creation into one dashboard. To know all about this product, visit theproductoasis.com and search Google AI, or just follow the link in the description or in my bio. Before you go, do know we're giving away free bonuses worth thousands of dollars. They're waiting below to be redeemed, so grab these valuable digital assets before they're taken off. And if you want to test run the product first, comment free trial and I'll send you the link.